Welcome back to Herbal Hour, the series where I teach you about 100 medicinal plants in 100 days. Today is day 9 and we are talking about cleavers. This is one of the best herbs that you can take for the lymphatic system. And if you don't know what your lymphatic system does, it's basically how your body gets rid of waste and toxins and excess fluid. And it does this by moving a clear liquid called lymph through this entire system of nodes and vessels that we have all over our body. Now, this fluid carries things like bacteria and viruses and damaged or infected cells, and it pushes it into your lymph nodes for filtering. But here's the thing, unlike your bloodstream, your lymph does not have a pump. So the only way for it to move is for you to move it with things like lymphatic massages, gua sha, or by bringing in herbs like cleavers. When your lymph isn't moving, it can get stuck and it starts to build up and it can make you start to feel really puffy and heavy and swollen. But cleavers helps to get that entire system moving again. It's classified as a lymphatic cleanser. This means it's gonna help to move all of that waste and toxins out of your body more efficiently, especially through the kidneys and the bladder. That's why it's so commonly used for things like fluid retention or edema, or even post-sickness inflammation. It's also really soothing for the urinary tract, so a lot of herbalists will use it for things like UTIs or bladder inflammation or even just general kidney support. So how do you use it? It is most effective when it's used fresh. A lot of people will make a tincture out of it, and because it's edible, you can also juice it. But if you cannot get the fresh herb or you cannot harvest it during the springtime, you can also use the dry herb. It's just gonna be a little bit less effective. It's very safe and it's beginner friendly, but if you're someone who experiences really low blood pressure or you are on strong diuretics, I would say to avoid it. So whenever you feel like your body is very puffy or swollen or heavy, or you feel like things aren't quite moving, cleavers is gonna help to clear out all of that junk.